What is happening, YouTube? It is your boy, Spirit Bird. It's actually your man. No, it's actually your dude, the Birdman. Oh, God. And long-time lurker, first-time poster. Just out here enjoying time by the river. Wonderful medicine. If you've never hung out with the river, I encourage you to do so. Definitely worthwhile. And yeah, oh my God, I do some TLC to myself. Here's the river, and just came here to listen, kind of see what it has to say. It's good for you, and it's only natural to want to go by the river to cry. I didn't do such thing though. Okay, so maybe I did. Guilty, but I feel better. And I hope you have a chance to cry and tell the river what's going on. All right, take it easy.